What's going on, guys? Corey Dees here, also known as Coach Corey3 here on Twitter. Today I'm going to show you how to make landing pages with Power Lead System. So let's go there and do that today. All right, so I want you to log in. We're going to go over websites down to web pages and then create web pages. So if you've been watching my videos, you know normally I click websites and then I click here for more options, and it brings you a bunch of extra share code templates. So it gives you all these extra templates where you can copy the code and paste it right into your system for landing pages and sales pages. Today we're going to create our own, really more from scratch, from different templates. So we're going to click web pages, create web pages here, and then select with a custom template, and then select use opt-in form, which is a lead capture page. So select that button. So we're still using templates, obviously. We're not really creating from scratch completely, but we're using a different section of our back office. And I used this one here called Flexible Capture Page Most Options. Now, today's capture page is going to give you a lot more forms to collect information. So I'm going to go to it. So on my last video, I just had to delete it. I went through the hassle of figuring out what to do, what not to do. This is a quick outline. Obviously, you can change this any way you want. You can change the background, you can change the headers, you can change, the banner pics, you can change probably the color of this text. But I want you to notice the coolest thing about today's landing page tutorial are these extra opt-in forms right here. You can ask any kind of question you want. So I'm going to get into that and show you how to do that quickly. All right, so edit. So in this section where you're editing this page, it gives you all these extra options to create custom fields on your landing page. So name, cell phone, best day to call, address, state, country, date of birth, occupation, your time available, desired monthly income, when you can start, web address, email address, phone, time zone, best time to call, city, zip code, how'd you hear about its anniversary date, what are you interested in, level of interest, reason to join. We can check that out. My job does not pay enough. I make it downside. They give you all these reasons just built in. All you got to do is select display, or you can even make them mandatory in order for them to go to the next page. Reason to join, amount you can invest, comments. So you can select any of these extra forms, which you can't do with these share codes here. All right, but you can easily do with this page. You can add extra bonuses from a free ebook or 5 other bonuses when your prospect refers 3 other people after filling out your survey. So last time it didn't load. We'll see if it does this time. I'm not going to wait around, but apparently you can offer extra bonuses, like I just said, in the way of free ebook and 5 other bonuses, whatever those are. SEO stuff. This is the button text, so I put in enter your very best email. Click save, and then you can put in bullet points. So from how it looked last time with this page here, the bullet points end up going like on the left-hand side, and I'm not too sure how to change that. So I would recommend not putting in any bullet points. Just click save and move to the text, and here you can change out the banners. You can put in any kind of banner you want of yourself. They got some Power Lead System here, right here. Here they are, Power Lead System. And they give you all these other ones, all these banners. You can put in money, beaches, food. Maybe you're making websites for a restaurant business. You could put in that, like you're selling pizza, you're helping a pizza chain. You could change that out. Welcome pizza fans. Then click OK, and the text automatically saves. I'm not too sure how to change the color, but I believe you can. You might have to go into the code. Actually, I'm not sure. Let me try it right here. It's because it's red, but it says it's black. I don't know. Confused, but Try changing that to like orange. Click OK. I guess that's how you change the color. You can do the same thing here. I like to change this to do orange. All right, that's your style. Click OK. All right. Now, like I said, they have to enter these forms. So what are you most interested in? The product, the business, both? Not sure yet. Income desired per month. They give you all these options. And then the cool thing is when they fill out this info actually goes into your back office. So it's going to get stored here in the contact management system. Then it's going to have a code. Here's the button text, and then you can click save. They have other forms, other fields here where you can edit them out. You can put in more text, I mean. Where is it? Edit text. So if I click edit text, they give you a bunch of, well, let's see, they did, but since I changed it, they give you fields to fill in more info. So anyway, let's do this here quickly. Background, this is pretty sweet. So you can find any kind of color you want. Any kind of color. So maybe I want to make it kind of match, I don't know, pizza sort of color or something. I don't know, ever. Then you just click this red rectangle where it says one change or something. All right, and then it's going to take you to select video. You can select no video, which is what I mean, it's up to you. What you can put in a video from YouTube, you can put in no video, you can use a video from their library. However, I will tell you that these don't work on phones to my experience. And then when you do select this, you have to make sure that your traffic is going to be desktop, because if you put a video in they give you, it's not going to show up on mobile. And when I put it in last time, I had to click enable some Adobe browser thing. So these videos are kind of older. You could still use them, but just make sure you really know what you're doing. Otherwise, I really wouldn't recommend using them, because it's an extra step and it kind of takes a long time. So anyway, those are the videos they give you. I could show you here really quickly, select video location, what that would be while I'm trying to show you what I'm talking about. If I select this money video, all right, and then on the next page, it's probably going to say, when I click view, see how, okay, I guess it shows up now. But normally it doesn't show up there automatically on desktop because I had to click enable Adobe browser or something. So just so you're aware of that, if you do select one of the videos. Otherwise, some of them are kind of cool if you want something generic, but that's how you can set that up. So let's see here. You can take that video out. If you don't want a video, you can click no video, then click save changes. We can go back, click refresh, then the video is gone, and then this is your form. This is your landing page, and this looks good on a mobile phone as well. They got to enter all this contact info. So this would be a great form if you want a bunch of information on your prospect, or you're sending this page over to very pre-qualified prospects, and you're looking to get very specific info, and they're further along the sales process. So with this info, then you could use that info to help, close sales. Like for instance, when can you start? If you selected that and someone put in right away, and they know what, and they also put in maybe how much can they invest, because that's another one of the form templates. That could be a great way to sort out your prospects. Speak to the ones that are most qualified who can sign up now based off of what they put in, versus the ones that say 3 to 6 months. There's not as much hurry to talk to those people, because in here, like I showed you at the beginning, right, we can put in any of these custom fields. So I could also add, let's see, reason to join, amount you can invest. So that's a good one. Limited amount, moderate amount, large. Okay, so you can put that in. All right, so you could select that. You could select as many as these as you want. Let's just select a few more, just so you can see as an example on the next page. All right, let's click review. Let's check this page out. All right, so it looks a little bit funny, but you could put in as many as you want. What are you most interested in? Your time available. So if you want to get specific info. So this would be a great form page that you send to people that before you talk to about a consultation, about who are really pre-qualified to work with you. So you can get all their information on a page here. And like I said, what is your interest level? Like, I'm ready to go. Let's go. What's your desired? Oh, 10K. What's your number and reason for investing? You know, I need one more time with my kids, whatever. Right? So you can sort prospects out by based off of how they answer these forms, which is really powerful. And then, like I said, it stores it in the back office. I'll click here quickly. I'll click on the one I just entered my email, and earlier I entered in this information here. What are you interested in? The product, income desired per month, 300, 500. When can you start? Right away. So that information goes right here into your back office, which you can track all that, and then you can rate your prospects. You can color code them. You can take notes on them. You can do all that stuff. You can set reminders. Like I said, you can color code them. Where is it? Somewhere you can do that. All right, you can modify. You can set reminders here, which is pretty cool. So that's just showing you the power of the Contact Manager, which is a CRM. And then you can test tracking to see where they're coming from, what marketing campaigns they're checking out. And that's it. I'll delete that. Edit. All right, so what I want you to do now is, if you want to use these templates to create a landing page like this or that or whatever, to use these extra opt-in forms, go over to my site at twitterforbeginners.com right here. Put in your email, and I'll see you on the inside. Take care.